It's here. We got it. It's at the box. It showed up. They gave it to us and we're allowed to play with it. So first off, let's crack this bad boy open. On this side, we get these cool little, it's like a clear plate plastic thing. I guess you could talk about what it is. I don't know. It doesn't feel like glass, but it's a little thick and heavy. It gives us some quick details about the Intel processors. Talks about the 13900K, the 13700K, and the 13600K, our 13th gen Intel Core desktop processors. Pretty cool to see that we're, all the way up to 32 total threads on our 13900K and stuff. Now for the golden ticket items, the really cool stuff. So we got right here a i5 13600K. Let's pop this bad boy open. Open this little clamshell here. Oh, wow. So you can see right there, we got our 13600K. These are actually really nice looking. They look nearly identical to last gen, but I'm sure there's probably a couple little subtle changes that Intel likes to do per generation. Let's get into this one real quick. This is the big hoss, the cool one, the one that everybody wishes they could put in their PC. And let's pop this bad boy open. This is our Intel Core i9 13900K. Looks super sick. Cool reading off our little Intel manual thing. We got a i9 3900K. Runs at up to 5.8, which is blazing fast, like Jesus Christ. That's our physical core max turbo, so not all of your cores, just your physical cores, which we got 8 of them bad boys, 24 total cores, 16 efficiency cores, 8 physical cores, which puts us at 32 threads. That's a lot. Still remember back when I, built my first PC and managed to, snag my first i7. We were looking at 4 cores, 8 threads. Not a whole lot, and even then that still wasn't even my first processor ever. Just the first one that I could get that was Intel and actually enough to run games. Obviously, as you can see, we got these fancy new processors from Intel. Shout out to them for sending these over. Super great to be able to have these and be able to do kinds of cool stuff with them. Stay tuned.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.